Did you know that as a photographer, you're actually dealing with two different tax systems at the same time, federal and state? Sometimes even local too, but we won't get into that today. And confusing them is one of the quickest ways to end up with unexpected bills, penalties, or worse, an audit. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what applies at the federal level, what's unique to your state, and how to make tax season a whole lot less stressful. Hey friends, I'm Heather, a wedding photographer turned tax educator for photographers. I know firsthand how overwhelming taxes can feel when you're building your business, but my goal is to make taxes suck less. And today I'm breaking down federal versus state taxes so you can stop guessing and start planning. Let's start with the federal side. No matter where you live in the US, you'll be paying federal income tax on your photography profits. That's your revenue minus your business expenses. On top of that, you'll also pay self-employment tax, which covers Social Security and Medicare. Right now, that's about 15.3% of your net profit. So when you think federal, think IRS, income tax, and self-employment tax. That applies to everyone. Now let's talk about the state side, because this is where it gets tricky. Each state makes its own rules, and not all of them treat photographers the same way. Some states charge state income tax on top of federal income tax. Others don't charge income tax at all, like Florida or Texas. Then, on top of that, there's sales tax. This one catches a lot of photographers off guard. Many states require you to charge sales tax on your services or products, especially if you deliver physical items like albums, USBs, or prints. But the rules vary by state and sometimes even by county. The key takeaway: federal taxes are the same across the country. State taxes completely dependent on where you live and where you work. In terms of that sales tax, I just did a 4-part series all about sales tax. And so you can go and grab that down in the description to help get you started in understanding all of that. Now, here are 3 practical steps you can take right now. Number 1, check your state's Department of Revenue website. That's where you'll find whether you need to register for sales tax and what services are taxable. Number 2 is set aside money separately for federal and state. A good rule of thumb is 25 to 30% of your profit for federal, and then add your state's percentage on top of that. And number 3 is don't wait until tax season. Make quarterly estimated payments to both federal and state so you're not hit with a massive bill in April. If all of this still feels overwhelming, I've got something that will help. This video is brought to you by my free masterclass, Maximizing Your Tax Deductions as a Photographer. In this class, I'll walk you through the 5 most common deductions photographers miss so you can stop overpaying and keep more of what you earn. The link to sign up is right below this video. Here's the bottom line. Federal taxes are non-negotiable, but state taxes depend on where you live. If you understand both sides, you'll avoid surprises and actually feel confident heading into tax season. Don't be afraid to reach out to a tax professional to help make sure you are paying things correctly and not missing anything. We definitely don't want the IRS knocking on your door unexpectedly. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's more confusing for you? Income tax or sales tax? Drop it in the comments below so I know what videos to make next. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future tips. You have got this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.